The beginning. The mysterious drink everyone's talking about. Every day we hear about a new miracle drink promising incredible benefits, but only a few are actually worth trying. Today, we're bringing you something completely different. A secret drink that's been spreading quietly in health and wellness groups, being called an old remedy rediscovered. Its name? Mango seed tea with honey and garlic. Sounds strange? Maybe. But its benefits make all the strangeness disappear. People say it brings back energy, improves digestion, and helps the body feel lighter and healthier. The best part? It's completely natural, made from everyday ingredients in your kitchen, and takes less than 30 minutes to prepare. Why is everyone talking about it? Because it combines three powerful elements: mango seeds, rich in fiber and antioxidants; garlic, well known for boosting immunity; and honey, which nourishes the body and provides natural energy. In this video, we'll show you how to prepare it step by step, the real health benefits, and how to use it to feel results in less than 2 weeks. If you're looking for a natural alternative to energy drinks, coffee, or even medicine, this might be your new secret weapon. Let's go step by step. Each chapter will reveal more until you master this healthy and flavorful rito. Chapter 2. Mango seeds, a hidden treasure in your kitchen. Most of us throw away mango seeds after eating the fruit. But did you know there's an incredible amount of nutrition hidden inside? Mango seeds are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and compounds that aid digestion and detoxify the body. Here's how to start. Take a fresh mango, eat the fruit, and clean the seed well. Dry it, crack the hard outer shell, and extract the white kernel inside. That's the part we'll use. Chop it into small pieces, place it in 300 milliliters of water, and boil it for about 15 minutes. The water will turn light golden and have a fresh, slightly fruity scent. This is your mango seed tea. It's not just about the flavor. During boiling, the seed releases compounds that reduce inflammation, improve gut movement, balance blood sugar, and relieve bloating. This is the base of our drink. Now, let's move on to the second ingredient, one that will completely transform the health benefits. Chapter 3. Garlic. Nature's pharmacy in your kitchen. Garlic has been a powerful remedy for thousands of years. It boosts immunity, lowers blood pressure, and helps flush toxins from the body. In this drink, we're not just using a clove or two. We'll create a concentrated garlic paste. Peel enough cloves to make half a tablespoon of paste. Crush them thoroughly until you get a smooth, fine texture. This paste contains allicin, a powerful natural compound with antibacterial and antiviral effects. But garlic alone can be too strong in taste, so we'll need to balance it with something sweet and soothing. Before mixing it with the tea, let the paste rest to release its oils and increase potency. And avoid boiling it with the tea, since high heat destroys the beneficial compounds. In this drink, garlic isn't just an extra flavor. It's a key ingredient that teams up with the mango seeds to detox your system and boost your immune defense. Once your paste is ready, get ready to combine it with the golden touch. Honey. Chapter 4. Honey. The sweetness that brings everything together. Honey isn't just for flavor. It's a healing ingredient packed with enzymes, nutrients, and natural antibiotics. In our recipe, honey plays a crucial role in balancing the sharpness of garlic and enhancing the drink's nutritional value. We need at least 4 tablespoons of raw honey, not processed, store-bought honey. The more natural the honey, the more benefits you'll get. Add the garlic paste to the honey and mix thoroughly until fully blended. Then let it sit for 30 minutes. This resting time is key. It allows the garlic compounds to blend with the honey's healing properties and create a powerful natural remedy. It's more than just a mix. It's a mini elixir. Honey absorbs garlic's qualities and becomes a natural antimicrobial blend. Taste-wise, the honey smooths out the strong garlic flavor and gives the drink a warm, comforting taste. Once the mixture is ready, we move on to the final step. Combining it with the tea, Chapter 5. Final preparation. Time to enjoy the magic. Now that all ingredients are ready, it's time to mix and enjoy. Pour half a cup, about 120 milliliters, of hot mango seed tea into a mug. Add 1 tablespoon of the garlic honey mixture and stir well until fully dissolved. The result? A warm, comforting drink with a unique balance of sweetness and herbal tones. It feels like calm energy running through your body with each sip. How to take it? Twice a day. Once in the morning on an empty stomach. Once at night before bed. Continue for 10 to 14 days, and you'll feel noticeable differences. Better digestion, improved sleep, more energy, and reduced bloating. It's a simple, natural, and powerful drink. And the best part? No chemicals, no preservatives. Now, let's hear real stories from those who tried it and see why this drink is gaining so much attention. Chapter 6. Real Experiences. Why you shouldn't miss this. People who tried this drink are calling it a silent miracle. One woman said, "Within a week, my bloating was gone." Another man shared, "I stopped needing coffee in the morning. This drink powers me through the day." It may seem too simple to be effective, but the power lies in the harmony of the ingredients. Mango seeds cleanse and soothe the digestive system. Garlic boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Honey nourishes, energizes, and masks the strong garlic flavor. Not only is the drink healthy, it's actually enjoyable and easy to make at home. If you suffer from digestive issues, fatigue, or simply want a wellness boost, this drink is worth trying. Give it a shot and share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more natural health recipes. Your health matters, and this secret drink might be your first step to a better life.